Workspace contains many tools, menus, and palettes for viewing, editing, and adding elements to an image. While manipulating or creating documents and files, various elements such as panels, bars, and windows are used. Any arrangement of these elements is called a workspace. Like currently I'm using the typography workspace theme. You can change it to by clicking it here to photography or to maybe painting. So I'm gonna stick to typography, and you can edit those panels and bars just like that. You can drag them and split them up just like that. And then you can switch to photography, or you can back to typography. Oops, it is ruined completely. If you like it, you can save it by clicking here new workspace and name it new. Save. Your new set of workspace is ready. I was trying to teach you how to set up a custom workspace. Do whatever you wish, but please don't save this kind of weird workspace. But if you want your typography back, just click on reset typography. Your default typography workspace is back to you. The same rule applies to photography, painting, and so on.